Okay, so get yourself a black marker of some sort, like a Sharpie, and right in the middle of our paper, we're going to draw a curve, and then another curve, and another curve, all angling up. And then do that on the other side. Now on the side, we're going to draw a curved line, and it's going to go all the way around to the other side. Now once you get that drawn, then at the very top, we are going to draw the stem of our jack-o'-lantern. So curve it over, and then a line, and then a curved line back down. Then we're going to draw the eyes, triangle, and triangle. Now right in the middle, we're going to draw another triangle. Now we're going to draw the mouth, and you're going to draw a line going all the way across, but then sometimes you're going to make it go down and up. So just kind of try to copy what I'm doing. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. Now we're going to draw the bottom part, and then we're going to go the opposite way with the teeth. They're going to go up instead of down, and then just work your way across. And you can make the teeth go up in the spot where the teeth are not coming down from the top, if that makes sense. But now where each of those curved lines on the top are, we're going to draw a curved line going down on each of those, but make sure you don't draw them through the middle of the eyes or the mouth or the nose. So skip the eyes, nose, and mouth, and just draw your lines curved down all the way to the bottom, like I'm doing. Now get your orange and start coloring it in. Now go ahead and grab your yellow, and we're going to do the eyes and the nose and the mouth. Are you going to decorate a pumpkin for Halloween? What are you going to carve in your pumpkin? Tell me in the comments. Now you're going to get a green and color the stem. and then take a green color, and now we are going to do a few lines there. It's a little bit darker green, and now we're going to draw a little bit of grass. So just draw some squiggles. You can do your outline first, and then you can color it in. Now I'm going to take my drawing one step further, and I'm going to use a gold gel pen, and I'm going to go around the eyes and the nose and the mouth just to kind of give it that glowy look, like there is a candle lit inside. If you don't have a gel pen, that's okay. You can even use colored pencils for this, and you could use a different shade of yellow, like maybe a little bit darker color of yellow, and go around the edge. And I think that would look great. I'm going to do a little bit of my gold gel pen on the stem and a little in the grass, just to add a little something. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share with your friends. Bye!